Hello, this is the data protocol for Module 17, and I am Evan Manning. The first thing that was asked is answering the essential question. How do we logistically show our priority of a culture of continuous improvement here at Eisenhower High School? And it's one thing to talk it, mission statements and PR, but another to walk it. So what does that look like, and how do we do it? First is data. As we've already discussed, we talked at length about the importance of data and how we use data to drive modification to improve ourselves and our students. So how do we analyze data consistently and through consistency to do this? And here we use what we call data analysis. There's a few things here. First, we must all be accountable. That includes administration and teachers alike. We have to be given time to do this. I understand that because it's a priority. And if we prioritize it, then we'll follow through. The data protocol is the tool that we use in order to keep this consistency there when analyzing data. There's two steps to this. First is the graphic protocol. Here we will see that for the 2019-20 year, we have this data protocol. There are four main things here that we need to focus on. The first portion is the data collection. This is going to be focused on the admin team getting that and being able to disseminate that to you in an organized mechanism that you can have and be able to use tangibly when completing both the individual and collaborative efforts of the analysis, which moves us to number 2, which is the independent analysis. Again, you're able to do this first and not be put on the spot to have to collaboratively do this or feel like you're having to do this in front of the administration team as some form of a punishment. You're getting to do it on your own first and feel comfortable with both the data and how you want to analyze that data. Then we move to number 3, the collaborative portion, where we look at collaborating between team members and cross-curricular groups in order to achieve, hopefully, success for the students and get some ideas that maybe we didn't see on our own. And then moving to number 4, how to actually use that data and having to be responsible for incorporating those things that we think we can see for improvement into our daily lessons. And when you give tasks for the administration team that you need, whether it's time or resources, which we'll get to in a moment on the form, that we will also follow through in utilizing your data to help you, help students. And then we have the physical tool, the protocol analysis template, which is seen here. And again, all of these will be forms that you can find on your Google Drive here at Eisenhower that we will provide for you. So don't feel like you have to write all of this down. The data analysis template includes first whether the data set or the student you're looking at, putting them into quickly that middle, low, or high level of the standard deviation, which we covered earlier. Then you were to write 2 facts about the data, and then a hypothesis for improvement for that data, 2 possible modifications for improvement, and then 1 physical change to the lesson that you are actually teaching or future lessons to hopefully meet this improvement. And again, not all of these have to be done by you, but some can be, and others can be a part of that group collaboration. And lastly, what support do you need from the admin team? Again, those things can be physical, or those things could be more things such as time or resources, and those things just need to be brought up to us. So basically what we're going to see is that if you go through this process, that you will individually know the data better. You'll be given that time to be able to do it through PD days or on contract hours, and that hopefully after individually analyzing, using collaborative efforts to see anything that fell through the cracks, communicating those things in that analysis with the admin team, and all coming together to create this culture of continuing improvement. If you need anything else, make sure to let me know, and have a great day.